This is not ice cream. This is Play-Doh.
If you want all natural taste right here, then get Breyers.
Does anybody know what's happened to Breyers ice cream? That it's no longer ice cream?
Let's make a quick and easy 4-ingredient ice cream recipe that is no churn and so quick to make.
When I was thinking about the ice cream, all I could hear in my head was Wu Tang, Raekwon the chef. Have you seen the videos about the ice cream not melting? Watch this.
Absolutely no reason for me to do this. This is not ice cream. This is Play-Doh. This is completely Play-Doh.
Oh,
Like, what? Not normal. Then supposed to dissolve. Right? Oh, I'm tripping. Like when you know how you store it?
Yeah. Now, Breyers ice cream is what we grew up on. Besides, hold on, let me take that back. My stepdad and my mom used to make ice cream in the ice cream machine. Like, we had to get the salt. You would put the ingredients in the middle. You would go like this, churn your ice cream, something. The good old days. Did y'all do that? Saved a lot of money. And then after we started to, I guess, have some upward mobility, we did get some Breyers every now and then. But we did make our own ice cream.
Does anybody know what's happened to Breyers ice cream? That it's no longer ice cream? My husband and I were just trying to figure out why this Breyers ice cream that was buy one, get one tastes so terrible. And as we were looking at the packaging, we realized that nowhere on here does this say ice cream. Now, I was trying to be moderately healthy. I mean, obviously moderately healthy in quotes when I chose the ingredients here, because it starts with like milk and sugar and cream, and okay, then it gets a little dicey. But it's like there for a while. It's perfect. But nowhere on here, in fact, it says frozen dairy dessert. But nowhere on Breyers, the Breyers. I mean, this was like the ice cream of my childhood, and the premium.
This was the ice cream of the bourgeoisie.
All right, let's not make this socioeconomic here. All right, Breyers ice cream. It's not even ice cream anymore. And they've tried to make it look like it's so fancy and Rainforest Alliance certified. 100% grade A milk and cream. Oh, it's got the little leaf so you think that it's real. But it's like,
Grade A nonsense.
What am I actually eating here? Because it sure is not ice cream.
Yeah, they make it seem like it's real. All that nice fancy packaging, like she said, or he said, this is like the bourgeoisie of ice cream, like Grey Poupon. This was the brand to get, Breyers. And now look. Frozen dairy dessert. Oh boy. Y'all remember this commercial growing up? Now, I know some of y'all who are watching are a little bit younger than me, but this is a commercial that we used to see about Breyers ice cream.
Breyers all-natural ice cream. Nothing artificial. Just fresh milk, real cream, pure sugar.
Fresh everything, real everything. Not no more. Not no more. You can't even read those ingredients on the side of the ice cream.
Your ice cream? Now check out Breyers All Natural.
There's milk, strawberry, sugar, and cream.
Breyers All Natural ice cream. Taste, not technology.
It said taste, not technology. Now, can we run that back today?
If you want all natural taste right here, then get Breyers. It tastes so good.
Breyers ice cream. It's only natural.
We would also buy Breyers, and it looked like that. Those ingredients that were on the side of the box or container, that was it. Wasn't no extra artificial flavors and natural flavors. It was this. Not anymore. Not anymore, they say. So let's look at some of the comments from that blue ribbon one where the ice cream was not melting. So some of the comments says, people are slowly realizing food isn't what it used to be, and food companies know exactly what they are doing. By changing up the verbiage on what they are selling to you, you see the same brand and think it's the same as it always was. But because you don't realize, someone on the marketing team was paid to hide the truth in your face. It'll say things like real milk or 100% real cream, and then hide the fact that it's a frozen dessert because they technically can't call it ice cream due to what's in it. Pay attention to your food. Look, even SZA responded. Had Breyer's butter pecan last night. Super weird. I knew it. This is so scary. My kids love SZA. I do too. That's my girl. Somebody said, I only eat Haagen-Dazs or Ben & Jerry's when I want ice cream. The cost is worth it to me. Someone said, as a food scientist, it's just guar gum. We don't want guar gum. We want ice cream. I'm sure it's something that's in there to help with the stabilizers or whatever, but okay. Somebody said, that's why I stick to Talenti and Ben & Jerry's. Bluebell ice cream or nothing at all. Cookies and cream, pralines and cream, and homemade vanilla. Somebody said, I'm glad people are waking up. They're feeding us cancer. Ooh. Somebody said, vegan ice cream doesn't do that. Yeah, this is a result of American education where people don't know there's a difference in the ratio of fat and water, which controls how fast something melts. What you really proved is that ice cream is high quality because it has high fat. So yeah, all these comments coming through as she plays with the ice cream and the water. I don't know about whatever else somebody's talking about with the fat consistency and why it's taking so long to melt. But ice cream, like the Breyers used to be, was all natural. Once you put some hot water in there, it's melting. Even cold water, it's melting.
Something is wrong here. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway.
So have you ever had an experience where you purchased something and it wasn't what you thought it was going to be? Like the ice cream not melting. Crazy. So yesterday I went to the store for my kids to get ice cream. I had to be all up in the things like, okay, is it an iced dairy dessert? Is it a iced dairy? Is it a frozen dairy dessert? Is it really ice cream? Let me really take a look at these things. Now we got to really, really look. Where's the quality control? What is going on with the food? Like I said before, food and grocery shopping is a luxury. And I want my food to be right when I get it, especially when I'm grocery shopping and spending my hard-earned money. And it better be right. Now, I also want to share this. I saw a clip of a creator making ice cream with 4 ingredients. Check this out.
Let's make a quick and easy 4-ingredient ice cream recipe that is no churn and so quick to make, and you let it sit in the freezer overnight. Chef's kiss. You're gonna need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add your heavy cream to a bowl. Take a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I highly recommend using an automatic tool for this, because if you use a whisk, your arm is going to be burning. So you are going to whip this on high speed. We'll start off a little bit slow so it don't splatter everywhere, but you're going to whip it until stiff peaks form, like a whipped cream situation. Stop there or you will end up making butter. And I'm pretty sure we don't want butter. You stick this out, it's stiff. Now you're gonna scrape the sides of your bowl. A can of sweetened condensed milk, a 14-ounce can, the whole can. Now you're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. You want as much vanilla bean in this vanilla bean ice cream as you can get, because child, it's vanilla bean ice cream. If it's too much for you, don't make it. Give me a good vanilla bean ice cream and I'll be set. Last ingredient is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Trust me, it's ice cream, it needs salt. Now we're gonna fold all this together until it's combined, and then we're gonna place it in our ice cream container. Now I'm gonna put all of this into here. That looks edible. Put the top on your container or whatever container you're using. You're gonna place this in the freezer. You can do it from anywhere to 6 hours to 24 hours. I prefer doing this overnight. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when we scoop it. It is the next day, so let's check on our ice cream. Now let's go ahead and scoop it. Let's go ahead and try it. I think it will hit with caramel on top. Hold on. 10 across the board.
As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Now, you know me in songs. When I was thinking about the ice cream, all I could hear in my head was Wu Tang, Wu Tang. Raekwon the chef. Ice cream. Oh, am I being bad? Hold on.